All right, gang, so we got the new turbo in finally. We went ahead and drilled out the turbo fitting, the oil fitting, this right here. This gasket obviously goes on the bottom, but we went ahead and drilled it out and deburred it. We got a gasket for it, and now we won't have to worry about this not getting fed enough. So actually the problem was my restrictor on my turbo was down to like 30 thousandths, I believe. I can't remember the exact number, but that's why my turbo ultimately failed, is that fitting was a restrictor and it should have been a little bit bigger for a journal bearing turbo. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the new turbo. Hopefully it's the same as what I have. I'm so excited. All right, guys, there it is. The new Turboski. The new Turboskis. Came with new gaskets and a graft. All right, guys, so just got done pulling the 350 out. So we got a 350 out right now. And hit it with some soap and water. Probably gonna come back with a little bit of degreaser and you know, hit it one more time. Then we're gonna hit his firewall with some flat black or satin black paint just to kind of keep it consistent. We're not gonna go overboard with it. You know, we're just hitting it with some paint to get it dark, all even, get rid of that look. But this is basically just like a C10 from what I understand. So this is my first time doing one in one of these trucks, but from what I understand, it's just like a C10. So if y'all have a C10, you might, you know, get to see something with this too. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be putting this guy right here in here with a 4080. This is the old engine and transmission right here that we took out. And then we putting this guy in right here, this one with the carburetor. Except for it won't have the carburetor, it's gonna have that bread box over there. So, all right, y'all stay tuned. Peace.